everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Roblox. To change password on Roblox, the first thing you would want to do is to open your Roblox application on your mobile device. You can also log into Roblox website as well. Once you're inside the main homepage of Roblox after signing in, go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on More. Inside the More menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Once you open up the Settings menu, click on the Account Info option. Under Account Info, scroll down and tap on the pencil icon right next to Password. Enter your current password in the first text box and then enter the new password on the next field and confirm the new password once again on the last text box. Finally, tap on the Update button to change your password for Roblox. Doing so will help you change your password for Roblox in just a few minutes. Now every time you sign in or when prompted, you will now need to type in the newly updated password. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.